welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Lika. I'm back again with another video, and guys, today I'm actually in traffic. I think this year this is my third time coming into town, so I am actually in traffic. I am on Independence Avenue, just about to join the Kafue roundabout. So that's the Kafue roundabout there. So yeah, so today is the 24th of December. Today. So yeah, today is the 24th of December and I am on my way into town. First I'm going to the Chinese shop. It's called China Mall here. So I'm going to China Mall, and I am going to get a cooler box. I'm supposed to buy relish for my parents from here. So let me just show you the traffic that's in town, guys. Like, just look at that. Just look at that. So I have to come and join this traffic. I pray the guy that's coming will find me this side, so that maybe we can just, you know. Yeah, so this is the traffic. So anywho, let's go find the cooler box and then we buy presents for my brothers, my parents. And by the way, I did my nails. So actually, I did my nails. So yeah, anyway, let's go to the Chinese shop. So I'm gonna show you the Chinese shop, and we drive through the Kafue Road. Stick around. So the reason why there's like traffic here is because tomorrow is Christmas and people are busy doing their Christmas shopping. And some people just knocked off, like me. I knocked off half day today and I won't be working next week. I'll be working the other week. So I pray that I'm gonna do a lot of videos because I haven't been posting of late. A cough really did me bad. I actually thought it was Rona. But yeah, we are here. We keep pushing. We keep moving. So if you want to buy salaula, you have to come to that shop. Yeah. And so you see, people are selling and making some money for Christmas, hey? Yeah. We have to hustle out here because there's no money. So when you're driving on this road, I'm told you have to lock your doors. Because them people can actually surprise you. Yeah. They can actually surprise you. So I actually branched off from somewhere because I saw a lot of street kids. Okay, they're called homeless people, are they? I don't know. So I branched off from somewhere, and then there are like the traffic officers are busy controlling traffic because if there was no one, I know what would have happened. I would have been by that same spot up to now. So this is a bridge. I don't know what bridge. And I am almost by the Chinese shop. So actually, as you can see, there are a lot of people in the streets, hey? So this is a day that people steal. Yeah, so you don't leave things in your car. Like, you don't leave things in the car. Oh, I found a slot. Yeah. Oh, this is actually the China Mall. This is where I'm gonna be buying Mama's cooler box. We just have to find a parking spot. Oh, guys, I must say I feel depressed. I had hopes that I was going to find the cooler box by the Chinese shop, but they do not have. They've run out of those. And now I have to check Pick and Pay. Like, I'm depressed. I'm already tired. It's like 3 in the afternoons, and I was hoping maybe by 5 I'll be done. Then I go home, I start packing, because I haven't packed anything. Like, I have packed nothing. I haven't bought presents for these guys. Pray for me. Like, you have to pray for me, okay? Pray for me. I am super I'm confused right now. And then I was supposed to be running these errands with my friend, but I couldn't manage to pick him because he lives on the other side of town and I'm this side. So if I go there to pick him up, I'll waste time. I come this side to come and start buying things, and then I take him back, then I come back. And there's traffic. When I say there's traffic, you saw the traffic. So I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. Anyway, let's... Ish. Okay, let's just roll. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's be here. This is part of what I got for my parents. The other part is already in the car. So there's a cooler box. I put relish in there. I'm gonna put what's this? I'm gonna put ice. The ice is somewhere in a plastic. And I entered ShopRite around 15:30. This is when I'm done. Look at how this place is. December shoppings. Look at that. Christmas shopping. Hey, it's tough. Yeah. Hey guys, so I got home a while ago and I'm about to start packing. Like, packing, I hate packing. Like, packing whenever I'm traveling is the only thing that I hate when I'm traveling. So I have to pack clothes for like Tuesday, from Saturday till somewhere Friday. That's when I'll be heading back. So I'm thinking I pack 2 small bags or big one. So should I use that one? I use a suitcase, a small suitcase. I have a small suitcase there, and the black one. I don't know. Anyway, so let's pack.